What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Monday, the 24th of March, 2025. 6:08 here in the morning in the great communist state of New York. I got an email yesterday from a long-time subscriber to the channel, to the Mikey Pipes Pipe Doctor channel. He said channel. He didn't say plural, so I'm gonna set a guess he just watches the main channel. But anyway, he emailed me. He goes, "Hey Mikey, thank you so much. Been watching your content for years, since Godzilla and Kelvin. Godzilla and Kelvin were characters on the show." Yeah, you're watching a show, right? There's commercials playing. You're watching a show like on TV, except it's in your hand, right? Mikey Pipes is in your hand. Oh. And he goes, "I love how you push out content on a daily basis. It's great stuff." And he goes, "Just curious, like, what do you do for fun? What do you do, like, when you're not recording?" It's a great fucking question. It is. I like a few things. I like to I have a few hobbies. I love anything dealing with water, so that's why I have a pool. I like to go skiing. I have a hot tub, so I try to enjoy water as best I can. I also love to play Fortnite. I know, I'm in my mid-40s, well, late to mid-40s. Why am I playing Fortnite? I don't know, it's a good question. I like it, it's fun. Sometimes, especially when you kill people and you win. I also like to collect old currency and coins. And I like to eat. And when I used to smoke, I used to like to smoke and drink. And finish, a bottle of Grey Goose, every couple days. And now I finish a bottle of Grey Goose maybe once a month if I'm lucky. The bottle's lucky. That lasted a month, Last night I made a little different dinner. Here's a little clip of that. Since some of you guys ripped me a new one last week, eating steak off a paper plate. I'm doing some editing. I'm gonna have some Wagu, some Tater Tots. You got a problem with that? And I'm gonna eat it on By the way, thank you. I like paper. With my goose. And it really is goose. Now, you may think it's not because I poured it out of this limited edition Grey Goose bottle next to the Beluga. But I'm drinking it out of that because I had this piece commissioned. It's fucking tits. Look at that. Look. It's tits. Okay, we have another 35. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. my God, do I have B cups? No, it's just a shirt. No, don't get any ideas, guys. So, now that that's out of the way, oh my God, I really do have like a B cup there. And they're perky. You okay, Gigi? You're not getting anything. No. You want a treat? You're like, fuck that, I don't want a treat. I want some of that. Stop it. Sit. Shake. Shake you too. Want some cheese? The cheese tax. The cheese. Okay. I'll give them some cheese. Cheese. A drawer full of fucking cheese. Oh, you know what they want actually? This will shut them the fuck up. Okay. Hold on. Here. Now go away. Fuck out of here. Yeah, I think there's a problem with inflation in the country. You're not getting anything. Get the fuck out of here. Don't worry, Gigi. Don't worry. Or Stoli. I am not gonna subject the community to shoving my fat face with food like John Phillips does in Sarasota, Florida. I'm not gonna do it. And the A1 steak sauce is for the tater tots. Trust me. You're not gonna put any kind of teriyaki or spicy mayo or anything on your Toro, are you? Come on. So yeah, still on their paper plates. Do you think I care? I actually do. I got a kosher kitchen, you know what I mean? So we have a dairy section and a meat section. And now I know that what side of the kitchen is for dairy and which side of the kitchen is for meat. But there's just so many meat selection dishes, and I wasn't feeling like fucking that up. And the wife yells at me all the time anyway, you know, like, just leave me alone. So if I can have one less yell coming out of her mouth because I used the wrong dish because that's for the good company. She doesn't really talk like that, but if I can get one less loudness, my life would be better. So, I hope you guys checked out adding the AquaCoil to the Bosch IDS 2.1 last week. Daniel, Peter, and I, mostly Daniel and Peter, wired in and connected the AquaCoil to the Bosch air handler. We got it piped in. Ladies and gentlemen, we just have a few things left. I have to deal with condensate, and I got to deal low voltage control wiring. But everything runs. Everything here runs, including the radiant vertical wall, the radiant wall. It works. And I have these little temperature gauges on here. Look, it says it's 50 degrees. I'm going to show you something. Now, I am slowly creating some content, one a week, on the Mikey Pipes HVAC training YouTube channel, so please check it out. I have 3 videos up and a short. The 3 videos talk about the fan center relay. We have a video dedicated to that. We have a video dedicated to the standing pilot gas valve and also measuring thermocouple and how a thermocouple works. I show you how to test it with a multimeter and some alligator clips to prove whether or not it needs to be replaced or not, or maybe the gas valve is bad. So that's all on the Mikey Pipes HVAC training YouTube channel. I am going to turn on, let's turn on the Whale McLean, the Ultra 3230. I'm going to turn that bad boy on. That's going to fire up because right now TT on priority zone 1 is jumped out. I have one. Oh, it looks a little fakak there, doesn't it? Yeah, it is a little fakak there. Let's make sure let's make sure that's not really that fakaked. I don't like it when it's fakaked, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, it's fakaked. Can I push it? Yeah, I can. See? Less fakaked. Look at that. Less fakaked. Perfect. Well, almost perfect. So on my Taco SR502 two-zone switching relay, I have zone 2 jumped out, which is going to be, oh, there. No, zone 2 is, zone 2 is the Bosch. We're gonna jump out zone 1. Okay, and let's shed some load. I got zone 1 on. I got zone 2 on. Now, was this on emergency heat? No, it's on heat. Interesting. Yeah, it's starting to warm up. Good stuff. So, check out the Mikey Pipes HVAC training videos. It's gonna be awesome. Together, we're gonna make the trades great again. Hope you guys have a great week. I have a gentleman coming in at 7 a.m. to further discuss his resume. Hopefully that goes well. We'll see. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one. Be well. God bless. Stay safe. Huge shout out to U.S. Boiler Company, sponsor of the Mikey Pipes HVAC training facility, Webstone, and let's not forget, I just picked up Modine as my 3rd corporate sponsor. Actually, sorry, Bosch is a sponsor as well, but they won't send me a banner, so Modine's the 3rd. And yes, and in case you're wondering, there is expansion in PEX when it's heated, and you'd be surprised how many inches per 10 feet it expands. And there's a reason why. The code stipulates there needs to be a means to absorb that thermal expansion with rigid pipe. If you don't believe me, look up the plumbing code. Looks like we're almost at 90 degrees on our return, 95 on our supply side, and we have condensed that much, running at 140 degrees. I talk about all this stuff on the Mikey Pipes HVAC training channel, so make sure you check it out. Have a great one.